Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today for some more craft room organisation. Now, since I've done my wall and I've put out a lot of washi tape on my wall, I do have some spare compartments in one of my washi tape boxes, and I have all my Christmas washi tapes and some other oddment ones in here, so I thought I could get these out of my drawer and get them into here. So these are all my Christmas ones, so I thought I could start just arranging all these in here. These are really cute washi tapes with Christmas, Happy Christmas on. And this one says Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And then we have these ones here that have Merry and Bright and Happy Christmas. Peace, Love, Joy, or Joy, Love, Peace, whichever way you want to say it. And then we have Ho, Ho, Ho. A couple of these that do have twice, like these sparkle ones, and the Twinkle Twinkle. So maybe we could put them together. And I think that one I've got two of. That one is similar to that one, so actually I've got three of the Twinkle Twinkles, so maybe I'll give one away in one of my giveaways, and that shares the love, doesn't it? So right, let's put these here. I needed to tidy this one up anyway. Excuse me. Right, what's that one? That one does say something. Happy Christmas. And then we've got some little reindeers, snowflakes. Got a big one there. I don't know if that's going to go in there. I'll have to put that somewhere else, maybe. Merry Christmas. Oh, get out. That one I have twice. That's quite Christmassy. And the sparkle one's a Christmas one as well, isn't it, really? Put them in there. And then I've got these smaller rolls here as well, which could probably go in here. Right, that's not actually, that's a Tim Holtz one. So I might, I don't have any room on my, I'm just looking up here. Oh, no, that's not Christmas one, that one, that can go in there. Right, that's Christmas. Those are Christmas. Okay, so let's tidy this one up as well. And then I will have all of my washi tapes in the containers or on my wall. That can be a Christmas one. That is definitely a Christmas one, but that will not go standing up. Neither will that one. Right, we're not really getting anywhere. I'm just passing this around, don't I? Take that one out of there. Put that one in there. That could be Christmas as well. And then we have these darker ones here. A little one there. Silver could be Christmas as well. And we have little reindeers. And then we have that one there as well. Right. We are getting somewhere. I've got another Tim Holtz one there. So those two are Tim Holtz. I wouldn't mind actually putting them out on my rack, I think, because I like the Tim Holtz ones. Let's put the glittery ones up there. Let's find all the glitter ones, because I do have a few glitter, so we could try and put them together. So what have I got in here? Let's just sort out some of these. Oh look, I found another Christmas one. I could go for Christmas as well. In fact, let me do it this way. That's a Christmas one. That's like a foil one. Let's take these out a minute. Oh, it in there. I do have to really go through my washies because I don't really have them in an order really. They're kind of all over the place really. And then we've got these holographic ones. That's a Christmas one. Oops, that's not Christmas, is it? That one can go there. Oh, we've got one that says hello. Hello. Yes, no, I have a couple of these, so I'll give one of those away. And I've got some more sparkly ones here. Another sparkly one. Oh, another sparkly one. There's a... I don't know if they're going to go in there. That's like a fabric one, that is. I don't know about that. We'll see. Then we've got another big roll there. I don't know that would go there. This one is lovely. I love this. I should keep that one out to use. Another big roll there. Oh, we've got two of those fabric ones. This one says love it. That's just a just a blue one. And then we've got some more holographic ones here. Oh, glittery one. So let's take that out. Oh. Keep all the holographic ones together. And then some more fun ones, some more glittery ones. That one may as well just go in there. Oh. And I've got some stripy ones, some more glittery ones, fun ones. Oh gosh, I didn't realise I had so many in here actually. There's quite a lot in there. Goodness me. That's quite fun. A little one here and some plain ones. Oops, daisy. Trying to get all the black ones in one, all of the glittery ones and the holographics. And I've also got these little dinky doo ones, which are a lot of fun as well. And they're just little tiny rolls. There's quite a few of those actually, so I really need a little compartment to put those in. Only trouble is I don't think I'll get all these in then. That is super cute, that butterfly one, but the only trouble is it's gone all really sticky and I don't know if it's ruined. Look, it's a shame, and I'm not sure I can do anything with that because it's so it's gone super sticky everywhere, so I don't know. I'm actually going to chuck it because it feels horrible. Oh look, cat stickers. That's got to go in my cat thing, which I can't find and I don't know where it is. Right, I'm trying to put all of these together and it's not working. Also have another fun fabric one here. I'll try and keep all these together. They're not all going to fit in this box, are they? I think we may get them in if I take out all those little rolls and put those little rolls somewhere. Because that is not going to fit, is it? Darn it. Darn it. Right. These are all the fabric ones. So, not sure about those at the moment. That's not going to close. Right, let's take out all these little ones. I'll find a little pot for those. In fact, I have a little pot up here on my shelf that I could put all these little rolls in, couldn't I? That way then I will see them and I'll be more likely to use them. Right, and that means then we can get all of these little fun rolls, aren't they? In fact, stick those in there. And then we can what have we got left? Oh, stop. The only trouble is they go inside of each other because they're only little rolls. That could be thrown away. That could be thrown away, thrown away. That's a little roll. I have, oh, my gorgeous tape there. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Nearly done. Some more little ones. That's just a card with some on, which we could put that in there to use. I found a Christmas one. I would do, wouldn't I? Which is an odd bod Christmas one. If I take that out, stick that there, that can go there. Right, we also have a little holographic one. Can go in there. These I'm not so sure I'll use. Go in the bin. And then we have a little roll which can go in there. And a coloured one there. I have 2 of these, but I'm not sure if this has gone all funky. Let me just take, yeah, this is not, this is why you should use your washi tape, because if you don't use it, you do run the risk of ruining it. And I'm just not sure if I've ruined this one. I can't get it off, can I? Oh. Yeah, this doesn't seem to be peeling right. Let's see if we can get this off and see if we can get it fixed. No, this just does not want to. It's all stuck or funny. That's just, ugh, that's not fun, that one. Let's see if this one's the same. They may have actually been like this. Oh, that one's all right. Right, okay, so that one's okay, but I don't think it's gonna shut. I don't think it's gonna shut. I really don't. Unless I put one of those in there, one of those in there. Those. Right, we have done it. We have done it. Right, let's throw that in the bin. Oh, that's one of the petal ones, which I'll keep out. That's got to go somewhere else. And we have emptied out this from my drawer, which now means I have a huge area in my drawer, which is really good news. So we have these 2 Christmas rolls, so I can now the ones that I have left I can just put in this other basket now, so it won't take up so much room. And I've also got these tapes that they just cut them out of the box, then that will take up less room. What are these? These are just fun decorative rolls of tape, really. I don't think they're not washi tape, they're just like sellotape Christmas ones. I've got my cat stickers which need to go in my cat thing if ever I can find it. I've got a couple of Tim Holtz that need to go somewhere, 2 up for grabs in a giveaway or whatever, something. We'll find a home for that. This big one I want to put somewhere really. In fact, I'll stick it in my other pot. Hang on, let me just... Oh, trying to put it on my shelf and I can't see what I'm doing. Right, I have another empty container here. I'm going to put my Tim Holtz in there so that I can use them. And also I've got my gorgeous tape, which I love using as well. So we have cleared out another basket from the drawer. My washi tapes are a bit more tidier, so at least I know where my glittery ones and my Christmas ones are. So that's something else done today. Right, that was it, I think. That's what I'm going to do for now. I do have a couple more things to do this afternoon, so I'll keep it short so you can all go and have a cup of tea, and then I will do another video later. So I hope you've enjoyed this next episode. And now I think all of my washi tapes are where they're supposed to be. I don't have any anywhere else now, so they're on my wall or they're in my boxes. So I'm done. Yay. Right, I shall see you all very soon. Please give me a like and subscribe, and take care. Happy organising. Bye bye.